And this question it is given that the earth revolves around the sun in 1 year. If the distance between them becomes doubled, new time period of revolution of earth is. So we can use that equation. T square is directly proportional to cube of its orbital radius, or square of time period is directly proportional to cube of orbital radius. In this question it is given that earth revolved around the sun in 1 year if the distance between them becomes doubled. So from this relation you can write T is directly proportional to r raised to 3 divided by 2. Or you can write time period in second situation by time period in first situation is radius of orbit in second situation by radius of orbit in first situation raised to 3 divided by 2. So you can write time period in second situation by time period in first situation is nothing but 1 year is equal to nothing but radius in second situation is 2r and radius in first situation is r, because in question it is given that it is increased by 2 times. So we can write this is equal to 2 raised to 3 by 2, or you can write 2 raised to 1 by 2 raised to 3. 2 raised to 1 by 2 is nothing but root 2, or you can write this is root 2 raised to 3. We know that root 2 raised to 3 is nothing but root 2 into root 2 into root 2, and root 2 into root 2 is nothing but 2 into root 2. We can write this as 2 root 2. So now the time period T2 is going to be 2 root 2 years.